Have you ever faced the question, can you explain the gap in your resume? Don't worry, it's an opportunity to show your growth and resilience. Here's how to approach it. Start by being honest yet professional. For example, yes, there is a gap in my employment history from January 2020 to December 2021. During that time, I took time to care for a family member and focus on personal growth. Simple, straightforward, and confident. Next, highlight how you stayed productive. Mention skills you enhanced or activities you engaged in, like, during that period, I completed a certification in project management and volunteered with a nonprofit to gain experience in event coordination. This shifts the focus to what you gained during that time. Then, transition to your readiness. Reassure the employer with something like, having resolved that situation, I'm excited to fully commit to my career and contribute my skills to your team. This shows you're focused and motivated. Finally, stay positive. Avoid over-explaining or sounding apologetic. Instead, focus on the value you bring now. With this approach, you can turn a resume gap into a chance to demonstrate growth, initiative, and professionalism.